Ways to live your life with arthritis. Did you know that evidence of arthritis has been discovered in dinosaurs? While this fact may not make your elderly parent feel much better about their condition, there are plenty of helpful tips and tricks in this video. If you would like to know more about arthritis and ways that you can ease the effects, then watch this video. Don't be afraid to change your schedule to deal with arthritis fatigue. While it can be difficult to admit that you need to slow down, letting yourself have the time you need to recharge will let you be more effective later in the day. Plan your day around when you are most flexible and energized, to avoid difficult tasks while in pain. It is important that you try not to put too much stress on your joints if you suffer from arthritis. The only thing that this is going to do is make your arthritis worse. Instead, be sure that you don't overdo it when you have to use your arms or legs for an activity. Though it can be uncomfortable, exercising your joints consistently is an important part of managing your arthritis. Your arthritis will get worse if your joints fatigue, which happens when you do not exercise. Do some flexibility exercises to increase your motion. This is a good idea for people with arthritis. Make sure to educate yourself as much as possible about rheumatoid arthritis, and how it can affect pregnancy and breastfeeding. There's a lot of different information out there, and being well educated can make all the difference in the world in how you handle your symptoms and flare-ups. Use musical therapy in order to ease the pain when you are suffering from severe inflammation. While it isn't a permanent fix and is far from medication and serious pain relief, there are studies that have proven classical music and other soothing types of music to be therapeutic when treating pain from arthritis. Ask your doctor what pain medicine options are available. In many cases, finding an effective and safe treatment for pain can prevent future damage from arthritis. Your physician can discuss FDA-approved prescription medications, physical therapy, or lifestyle changes that can benefit you without worsening your condition. Keep a detailed daily journal. By keeping track of daily pain levels and events, you may discover patterns that will reveal how certain events will trigger flare-ups. By writing down what you've eaten, the activities you've engaged in, and the degree of pain you experience, you'll be able to identify pain triggers. Focus on something else. When you are in pain, your mind is solely interested in that fact. If you can find something to draw your attention away from it, you will likely notice that your pain is actually lessening or possibly even disappearing. A distracting and focused hobby can be a great technique to use for this. In conclusion, you have learned not only that arthritis has been affecting living beings, much longer than recorded history, but you also picked up a few ways that you can make it easier for you or your loved ones to live with the condition. Hopefully, you can start using this today and live a happier life. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.